Holy chat. What is going on? Should we start the stream? Yeah, I don't know if you guys deserve a stream today, to be honest. I might call it quits.
Did you have like a euro?
There's a coin or something, don't worry. Chat. We are back, indeed. What's poppin', everybody? Come say hi so we can start the stream up. Unironically, I think it might be time. Time to make a mill. A serious mill. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna make a mill right this second. Hypothetical full port. Hypothetical chat. Listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. 50 people in here. Let's get to at least like 30 likes right now so I can start up the stream. It's gonna be a good one today. PPI. I'm excited. Let's rob the banks.
Oh yeah, it's news, isn't it?
Rob the bank?
I don't have any accounts.
Are we up and down like a BTC or what? Chat. In 3, 2, 2.5, 1. Is my camera on? Good. Okay. Stalling, and chat. What is poppin', man? Welcome back to the streams. How are you all doing today? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you are in the world, if I can get my words out. What's good, Blizzy, Danny, Yusha, welcome back. Long time no see. What's good, Anil, Mr. Bedge, Joshua, Bojack. Who else is here, chat? Come say hi. What is poppin'? It's a good day today. It's going to be an exciting one. We've got a lot of news, a lot of volume, a lot of potential, a lot of payouts. What? What's good, Dirty Bikes? What's good, Kick? Oh, chat. Brother, you did a challenge with your Discord, right? I haven't started that yet. I actually was meant to do that. Low key. I forgot about that as well. I can't lie. Let me do that. Low key, I've been too locked in. Chat, I got some big news. I'm going to tell you later. But before that happens, let's get into a quick analysis on the day. Guys, we've got PPI today in under an hour here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, red folder news. You got PPI and core retail sales. Get off Pokemon and study the charts. To whoever that's from. But yeah, guys, that's 1:30. So realistically, a lot of potential here today. I'm going to do an analysis on NQ and gold. Isn't the first one? We had one the other day, but it wasn't really that big. Yeah, chat. So weekly time frames pushing back up. Daily closed bullish yesterday, and we are pushing up again after. Well, we're kind of doji right now on the daily time frame. 4 hour closed bullish. Not really respecting, but kind of weak bearish. I would kind of classify that as bullish, to be honest. 2 hour bullish. 1 hour is sort of just weird consolidating low volume here. Now, taking a look at our levels here, chat. I believe that we will win. Okay. What did I have here earlier? Wait, let me just see. Let me undelete my levels because I had some good ones here and I just forgot where I put them. Oh, not that far. Not that far. All right, yeah. So I think this is pretty valid. On the hourly, a closure above 41.29 takes you up towards 41.48 almost every time. In fact, I would say it's every time. Above 41.48, or let's call it 49 actually. Every time you close above there, you're pushing up to at least these highs here to the left. To be honest, we could even just target a little bit lower down towards like 41.61. 161. Wait, do we fill here? No, not quite. All right, so 41.64 looks good, chat. Looks good. And then if you do come back down here, I don't really fancy sells today. I think buys look a lot nicer. But if you did want to get sells, for me, it's going to have to be below 41.12 right here. And if you get that, it's going to take you down a lot further. But we'll worry about that when we get to it. For now, chat, the hourly looks like it wants to... Oh, this is a 2 hour level. That's why I was bare confused. All right, it's the same levels, though. It's the same levels. Yeah. That's way easier to see. Holy, I was like, what? Why does this look weird? But yeah, there you go. So let's just move these around a little bit for the 1 hour. You got 41.52, which is the level. It's the same thing, basically. And then 41.69 is the target for me. So yeah, chat, realistically, that's going to be the levels for today on gold. Looking for buys above right now on gold. If we can close above on the hourly. Let's go to NQ real quick. NQ's kind of crazy right now. Daily bullish, weekly bullish, monthly flipping, potentially. Yeah, interesting one, chat. So hourly's consolidating here on NQ. You have a level, which is quite a strong one right here that we just tapped into and rejected. Buys off of there would have been decent. Other than that, you have 24.97, which is like the kind of top of the range here. If you close below, you're going to push down towards, I'm saying minimum 24.639. And if you push back above, you're going all the way up towards minimum is 25.137, right? Will NQ be affected by the news? Definitely, probably more than gold. But chat, that's the analysis for today. Hopefully it makes sense. If it does, drop a like on the stream. And how have you guys been doing, man? How was your guys' day yesterday? We took an L on stream yesterday. The first L on stream in a long, long time. Chat, I'm stacked up on hydration here today. I got the Strawberry Dreams Monster. You know, every time we have the Strawberry Dreams Monster, we make $10 million. And cherry vitamin water because I need it, man. Chat, I got 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm a sleep-deprived young man. It's kind of tough. Yeah, low-key traded Asia until 5. And then I had to wake up to take my cat to the vet, which was sick. But chat, it was worth it because now today, after the market closes, I have another $2,000 in payouts to request on Top Step, which is going to bring my total to $15,000 for the month. Maybe a bit more actually. Yeah, man. Nah, chat, it's been a crazy month. We're going to try and keep the momentum going, keep it pushing. Bedge, when you take your payout with Top Step, do you have to fill a different application for each individual 50k? You fill out the WISE document, or is it RISE or WISE? I can't remember the name of the payout provider. I think it's WISE. Yeah. You fill out that, fill out your tax information. Once that's done, then you just go onto the payout section. You go, like, select the account, type in the number, tick, 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 request payout, and then repeat that over and over. Simples. Just me here, has Asia been slow as fuck the past week? It hasn't been as crazy as it was before, but yeah. Ukraine just agreed terms for a peace deal. Has that just come out? Because if so, it's time to full port. Oh my god, yeah, it actually has. Low key, that is crazy. That's insane. Time to full port NQ. That's mad bullish, no?
Yeah, gold's just ripping down.
Gold's ripping down. NQ's ripping up. As expected, to be honest. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, what the hell? Just blew through all my ranges.
A lot of volume right now, guys.
What?
I get notifications on my smartwatch. There's no way that came out just now. Ukraine agrees to terms of peace deal. Yeah, but has Russia agreed to it? Because I feel like that's quite important, no? I feel like they both have to agree, otherwise it doesn't really make any sense. 15 just closed bullish as well. Volume popped in as soon as the stream started. The market makers knew, Rentero. The market makers knew I was about to start streaming. They were like, yo, that's that SG guy. He's about to stream, I think. Let's get in the mixer. Possible peace would mean bear skis for gold. Yeah, not necessarily bearish for gold, but yeah, it makes the dollar stronger, which, yeah, in turn does obviously do the opposite for the relative strength of gold. Oh, that might have just chopped the entire session in terms of PA. We'll see, man. Missed out on a band earlier. Not the bandolini.
When does news come out? What time?
News comes out in 45 minutes, chat.
So it's still a while.
Yeah.
I mean, if aren't we funny on NQ? If that 1 minute flips and breaks the highs, you're filling up to 34.
Yeah. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, brother? Some minor details of Ukraine peace deal still outstanding. Brilliant. So what they've done there is drop the news so the prices pump up and watch them just go, yeah, actually, we haven't figured it out. And then they sell. Smart. Smart. A little bit of market manipulation from the fellas at the White House there. They love it. They love a bit of Mark Manip. Unironically. Guys, how's your trading week been so far, though? We're halfway into the week, right? No, we're not. What? I thought it was Wednesday today. Second day of the week. How did you guys start off yesterday? Me personally, I had one loss off stream, on stream, sorry, and then one win off stream in the TRLS Academy. That was a screamer trade during Asian, actually. Very, very good trade. I hope there will be a peace deal. I'm trying to go to Moscow soon, so... Yeah, this is kind of mad. Gold rejecting off the bottom of the range as well here, guys. Me too, exactly. First one on futures yesterday, 1L in Asia. That's all good, man. You're getting used to the experience, right? That's all that really matters. Yeah, I want to do that, Blizzy. I'm not going to lie, I do. Double lost days is what it is, man. Who's belling my line, chat? Accidental 1.4k trade on the PA and almost blew in a vow. Managed to get it back to 50k though. Slow and steady, Daniel. I've never called you Daniel before, but I might start doing it. I think it's quite funny. I don't even know if your name is Daniel or if it's just Danny, but there you go. I don't get why Peace brings NQ up. Yeah, to be honest, I was thinking about that in my head just now. It doesn't actually make much sense. Because surely the war's a mad profit factor for the US economy.
Yeah, but it's to do with like safety and shit.
Safety? Who cares about safety?
The gov.
The gov just cares about bread, and more bread. How can we make as much cashola as possible? Caught 60 pips in Asia last night. W. Chat, what if I make $8 quintillion today? What are you going to do then? Probably nothing, right? Holy, there's no way this flips. That's insane. This PA is mental right now on NQ. But look at the way it tapped the level, chat. On the dot. Like, to the T. Right there. Tapped the level and then was like, oh, nope. Goodbye. Catch anything since yesterday's L? Yeah, we got a dub in Asia in the TRLS Academy. Big dub on gold. It was nice. Kettles on. Cuppa, anyone? Yeah, I'll have a cuppa. If you make that much, give me a small loan of $1 million. You gotta give me a small loan of $1 million. I'll put it in the charts and I'll flip it to 10 bill. BTC up 7% today. What just happened? Nah, don't tell me that, bro. Oh no, okay, that's good.
It's a good thing, though.
Yeah, I was gonna buy some more yesterday though, and I forgot. Is it up 7% today? It's down today. How have you figured that one out? Daily candle's bearish today. It's down 1.1%. That's got to be Eugene. No, not Trendlines Jr. That's got to be Eugene. Just making stuff up for the fun of it. Just getting my excitement up that my BTC position's up. And then like, yeah, nah, by the way, it's actually not. Chat, 75 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. It's very important. It really does help out. Let's get to 50 likes. If we get to 50 likes, I'll give away a week in the TRLS Academy for free. Which is a mad deal. Okay, chat. Right, we got an hourly close here in 9 minutes. Following that is Comics Open, and then you've got news 10 minutes after Comics Open. So this one should be very interesting, to be honest. Should be... Huh?
So you failing to break the lows on the 1 and the 5 on NQ.
Yeah.
Actually, even though pushing down weirdly, like, still looks alright for longs.
It's the rod.
I could just consolidate till news.
Yeah, probably will do that. Chat, there was the biggest thunderstorm I've ever seen here yesterday. It was mad. I got the sickest video. I'm going to post it on Instagram later today. But like... yeah, it was mental, bro. I've never seen anything like it. Honestly, like the whole sky was illuminating with like the forks of lightning. And then it would just be like... like that. That might be more like slobs.
Yeah, that was a questionable one.
Nah. Chat, yesterday's trade was mad interesting as well. I'm not gonna lie, very strange position yesterday. I mean, the position was fine, just the PA, like when we were in the position, very interesting. It did end up, no, it didn't end up coming back actually, that's a lie. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow. Yeah, man. But guys, look, I'm gonna be requesting 2 more payouts on Top Step. Guys, I've figured out the meta. You guys need to start trading props a little bit differently. Low-key, every time I try and go for the mega win on a prop firm, I used to get cooked, right? Recently, I've just been literally on these Top Steps. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'll be brutally honest with you guys. I've been setting my TP on every trade. Even let's say, like, you get in a position here, right? Let's say this would be like the proper TP, right? Of course, the range fill. And let's say that was like $600. All I've been doing is just setting it at $200 to get the $200 winning day, and then just closing the charts. And I've just been doing that every single day, 5 days a week, $1,000 a week per account. And I'm up 15K this month by doing exactly that. You know how mental that is, chat? Do you know how easy it is to get $200 on a trade? Pretty easy. Why doesn't everyone do that? Did Tom have to stroke your hair and tell you everything's okay during the storm? We had to sing the, what's it called? The Thunder Buddies song. From Ted. Fuck you, Thunder.
Look at the 15 on NQ.
Look at gold, man. It's just ridiculous, PA. 5 minute trying to flip on gold. NQ 15 minute, very strange. That previous 15 is the most doji closure ever. How'd you get your daily bias? Is the daily... Alright, hear me out on this one. Is the previous daily candle bullish or bearish? If it's bullish, most likely my daily bias is going to be bullish. If it's bearish, it's most likely going to be bearish. That's literally it. Nah, it's not just that. It comes into like market structure, bit of support and resistance on the daily time frame, but mostly it's just whether or not we're bullish or bearish on the previous daily. Thomas stroking something. You guys need to get your brains out the gutter. What's good, gay boys?
It's just nonsense.
I don't know why he's using gay as an insult, to be honest.
Yeah, it's not good.
I actually think that's really homophobic, and we don't tolerate that around here.
Terrible PR range.
Now I'll go mental with this PA. Nah, I will go mental, to be fair. Chat, wait, stay patient, all right? Obviously, the market is just waiting here for the events we've got coming, you know? You've got comics open first, then news, PPI. Hella stuff, man. Man. I don't care that you broke your elbow. What a video that is. Chat, has anyone seen Keir Starmer doing the 6-7? That's one of the best videos of all time, I think. Thoughts?
I hate it.
Why? Just the prime minister of one of the biggest countries, or the most powerful countries on the planet, doing 6-7. There's nothing wrong with that, surely.
No, it's awful.
Did you see Kia's Rent, boys? Yeah, I have seen this. Keir Starmer and his famous Rent boys. Do you know what that is? 6-7? Nah, I don't know. What's 6-7? You tell me. Guys, what is this PA? Now, we have 4 minutes here or 3 minutes till the hourly close. Honestly, chat, if the hourly close is bullish on gold, I'm porting buys. Only problem is we have news soon. Yeah. That's the problem, chat. Nah, if it closes above, then no. Yeah. Bun Starmer, he's a complete wassy. I think that's probably the most succinct way I've ever heard that put, but it also makes a lot of sense. I have 17 days left to make $4,200, but I'm pretty chill. We still have CPI on December 10th to full port. What is that message? Holy shit. What do you mean you have 17 days left to make $4,200, but we have CPI on December 10th to full port? What does that even mean? What, first of all, why do you need to make $4,200? Second of all, why are you full porting news? Apparently demonic signs. Yeah, it is, because the it's like that shit. The picture of whoever it is, the devil, demon, Balthazar or something like that. I don't know. I think gold is going to sell off heavy today. The buyers are trying to hold it up, but that thing is coming down like a roller coaster without brakes today. Yeah, that sounds like ChatGPT wrote that. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know. We'll see. If we close below, I'm happy to take the sells. Can't take sells yet. The structure's still bullish. Is it? I would argue it's getting less and less bullish by the minute. Wrap it up, bud. Chat, let's get to 50 likes, man. How are you telling me there's 75 people and only 20 bumba rascal likes? I'm literally going to beat all of you up. I'm serious about that as well. You guys are getting whapped up. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do that because my drawdown limit... I'm closer to my drawdown limit than my balance. Oh, you mean on a eval? Okay. Fair. Chat, by the way. By the Bumba Clark way. I have opened up my waitlist for the one-on-one program that is launching December 1st. So, if you do want to join the waitlist, alright, and get profitable within 90 days, guaranteed. That's right, guaranteed. I'll pay you $1,000 if you don't become profitable in the next 90 days. Click this link to get funded in 90 days. Guaranteed. Pin message. Nice. Chat, also I dropped a new balcony video yesterday, which you guys should enjoy. It was pretty sick. Hourly closed, by the way, guys, just now. Hourly closed. I would argue it closed doji on gold here. Closed sort of a weak bullish on NQ. Very weak bullish, in my opinion. You got some range to fill, but... Holy skibs, chat. It doesn't look the best. Tapped into the top. I mean, no, we're not in this position, so I don't know why I said it doesn't look the best, but it doesn't look the best anyway in terms of price action, right? 2 hour just closed as well on gold, doji, and doji on NQ as well. Nice. Chat, it's slim pickings here, I'm not gonna lie. The 4 hour does look decent on gold, to be honest, but it was a good video. Didn't catch the premiere as was fully mullered last night. I like it. I like it, chat. Comics open in 19 minutes, chat. Let's see what this hourly open does here. Let's see if it wants to fill the range back down. Holy shit, Google actually paid me my ad revenue. That's the first time in years they've actually paid the revenue. Honey, where's my super suit? You know, I actually did the voice acting for that character in The Incredibles. And they modeled the character off me as well. Frozone. Did you know that? He didn't know. Guys. NQ's just frozen in time and space. Look at this 1 minute. It's just... Oh, wait, this is gold. But look at NQ's 1 minute. Just like... Just pure consolidation. What I go on, chat? Whoa. Whoa. Just an N-word in the chat right there. Imagine I was just reading chats out and I read it. You guys could just end my career just like that. Actually, low-key, it wouldn't end my career. I reckon you guys would rate it. No, I'm joking. Jay, we don't see color here? Nah. We don't. Guys, this shit is pushing up here. Very interesting. Plus, actually, Joshua gave me the pass, so we're all good. You would never get the pass.
Mate, I've told you so many times, I am half black. What am I?
I'm black from the waist down, though, so
I'm Jamaican Irish.
it's ridiculous.
I'm Jamaican Irish.
That's not a thing.
Yes, it is. I'm half Jamaican, half Irish.
Only color we see is green and red. Blue and white. Revoked.
Taking it back off you. And he DM'd me at it.
Wait, but Raze, you can't revoke the card because Joshua gave it to me. I think only Joshua can revoke it. No, I'm joking. Investors, what's good, man? Welcome to the chat. Yeah, guys. Hi, guys. It's your boy. KSI Olajide BT. They did that in the last century and it didn't work. What? Blizzy, Ukraine will not agree with that peace deal because it's just a give up deal. I'm gonna steer clear of the politics for today's stream. I haven't had enough sleep to be getting political on stream, low-key. There was news saying they agreed to most of it. Yeah, it's crazy. Shout out South Coast. Soren got a noob in the live. What is going on? That was like a Chinese sentence to me, to be honest. Newbie. Oh, a newbie. Or a noob. Got any trades today, Sam? No, we had some. Technically, yes, right? We had some trades in Asia last night. But nothing since I've gone to sleep and woken up, no. Guys, I dropped a trade recap or like a replay of yesterday's trade on my Instagram. So if you don't already, go follow the IG. It's boiling in here. I'm literally sweating.
It's nice and toasty.
It's not nice and toasty. Hourly flipping here on Unk. Oh, let me rattle this near the mic for a little bit. How much money do I need to go one-on-one? If you click the link in the pin chat, you can apply, and then we can jump on a call and discuss it. Because it's different for everyone, right? Some people need different stuff. What company you funded with? Chat, I forgot to say. I'm funded mostly with Apex, Alpha Futures, Top Step, and Tradeify. But Alpha Futures currently has 25% off, which is the best sale in the game right now. You guys would have seen yesterday that Top Step removed their activation fee. If you follow my Instagram, I did like a video updating you on that like news essentially. But Top Step's $90 now without the activation fee. If you use code TRLS. Alpha Futures, it's like $60 or something. So Alpha's way better. Winter is coming. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Do you know the answer to that? Yeah. Tell Tom to get it out now. Yeah, guys. I think, to be honest, what's happening here is we are waiting till PPI. PPI is going to be very interesting, I believe. I'm pretty much certain it's going to be a relatively big move. 4 hours flipping here on gold right now. If this 4 hour closed like this, it's like 2 hours away though. It's kind of annoying. The 4 hour looks great for gold buys right now. Like, redonkulous. Bro's waiting for PP. I'm just not really a fan of that.
Yeah. These guys might just need to calm it down a little.
I think you might need a job, bro. That word's banned here, so you know it's got to really dire situations if we're suggesting the job. But I think either you need to do one of two things, Rentero. Either put the fries in the bag right this instant, or go and get a different job, because that's ridiculous.
Fries in the bag.
Fries bag now. What's good, Mark? Marky Mark.
Fries in the bag.
Put the frites dans le bag. Now. That's how you say it in French, chat. Just in case you wanted to know. This 30 ain't looking too bad, but I need for news to close it. For this news to close it, yeah. Well, realistically, if the 30 closes above here, and you get a bottom wick on the news, and then it flips, you're going to Valhalla. Honestly, you might end up off the screen. You know those candles where it goes off the screen, chat? We had one the other day. Like this one. Off from one side of the screen to the other. But you know what, chat? It never happens in the direction you want it to do, right? I was talking to Tom about this yesterday, right? You know how when you get in a trade, you know those candles, first of all, chat, those candles that just almost spawn in, right? They just like literally rip down. Yeah, the Diddy candles, right? How come if you're in a position, they never do it in the way that your like position is headed? So if you're in longs, it never just goes and just goes all the way up like that. It always goes down. And if you're in shorts, it's always a big candle pushing up.
The only time I ever get like just a serious amount of profit in one go is if I'm in a news trade.
Yeah. No, that's true. I got a funded account that is almost blown. I have 250. Should I full port on CPI? And if so, should I do buy stop, sell stop? Yeah, do buy stop, sell stop.
Not financial advice.
Yeah, fade. Shoot the lights out till it's alright. Oh, just another lonely night. Now, trend lines, I remember when you were in big drawdown and like 1 pip away from stop loss and news dropped and immediately shot up, you took an 80 pip win. That, yeah, you're actually right. That is the one time that's ever happened to me. Do you remember that?
That's news though, again, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
You never get it in just like a normal position.
That was crazy though. We were literally like, yeah, 3 or 4 pips away from stops.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. That was CPI.
And it just went, Chat, we have CPI tomorrow as well. How many pips away from price should I put my stops? I don't know if this news is going to do that much because the big one's PPI, right?
Yeah.
No, CPI, sorry. So if you're going to do it, Mark, I would do it tomorrow on CPI.
But it's just... needs to mark out the highs and the lows of the previous 15-minute candle and then do 60 ticks above each high and low. Buy stop, sell stop.
There is no CPI? What do you mean? Did they take it off?
No, I just checked at the start of the stream.
Oh, they did take it off.
For today?
No, for tomorrow.
Oh.
What? That's ridiculous.
Oh, what? Hypothetically, that person I know can't full port their accounts now.
Oh, your friend can't full port their accounts?
No.
Your friend who was hypothetically going to full port their accounts can't do it anymore?
Yeah.
That's sad.
Although this friend hypothetically doesn't have any more because he full ported the last one relatives as well.
That's so peak. The bad numbers, they delay it? Yeah, actually, that's probably true. Chat, listen, 95 people in the stream right now. Drop a like on the stream. In fact, I'll change it. If we get to 60 likes on the stream within the next... Before news. 60 likes on the stream before news, I'll give away a 50k funded account. Alright? How about that? Catch me outside, how about that? Not sure about that. Oh, and we were starting to rip here for some unknown reason. Yes. Chat. Brilliant. Is news trading allowed on your prop account? No, I don't think so. Eval or funded? What do you mean? The giveaway? I can't give away a funded account. That'd be sick. If I could do that, I'd give it to myself and just get straight to funded, right? But nah, yeah, it would be an eval, definitely. Bow chicka wow wow. Chat, the 3 hours of sleep is starting to hit me. But it's starting to hit me in the way that I've got hella energy. I don't know why. You said funded? Yeah, it's still a funded account, right? But I guess not. I don't know. It's a bit gay to say evaluation. Oh, you know what? You know what I need to do, chat? It's textbook. It's absolutely textbook. Just the engagement bait of doom. In fact, let's put it as a negative RR position. They love that. They love it. I could use an account? Could you now? Well, tell everyone to drop a like on the stream right this instant. Lower the TP? Yeah, true actually. True. I'll go live from the other accounts. Nah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. You don't need to do that. Yeah, man. Generational comeback from that guy. Might be on the cards. W trade right there. And then you just say TP hit, you farm the clip, and then you move on, right? That's how you do it, chat. You just never actually take a trade. That's the trading streamer playbook. Fortunately for you guys, I'm different to every other streamer, and I actually take trades live and get payouts from them. And that's why you're here. But people will still go and watch people like fucking TJR or Patrick Whelan who get infinite evals or have fake accounts and shit like that. It's just like, bro, why don't you just watch someone that actually executes the trades live? Guess who said this, man? Fucking evaluation. It's that Drake bar, isn't it? It's going viral on TikTok right now. You should change it to a short position instead. Get all those haters engagement. That is true. Low key, I dropped a video on the loss we took yesterday, right? On my Instagram. I guarantee it gets better views than the wins. You think TJR is fake? I'm pretty new. I would bet my house, my wood, my cat, and Tom on the fact that TJR is a fake trader.
Yeah.
Pretty valid, pretty fair bet.
Well, I feel like it's just objective at this point.
Well, I mean, it's pretty obvious, yeah. But I have some inside information that no one else has. Unironically, the case.
Gold is ripping.
And if you're OG, you'll know why that is.
News as well, like, yeah.
But I don't want to say anything because I don't want to get hit with some fat lawsuit.
Gold's absolutely ripping.
So where TJR said his losses get more views? Yeah, they will. Losses always get more views. Chat, it's very common, right? People like to see people fail more than they do succeed. If I posted a video right now saying like I'd gone homeless, I'd blown all my accounts and got chlamydia, it would get way more views than when I posted my Range Rover, right? Or my SVR. It's just how it works. Yeah, gold is ripping up right now.
Stuck on the rod.
Yeah, it actually is.
The pre-news rod.
Did you? No, I didn't. Imagine. Imagine the scenes, eh, chat? Alright, guys, look. 2 minutes here till comics open. Gold looks quite good here, I'm not gonna lie. Trading PPI? I'm gonna trade the aftermath of it, yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna wait till the news comes out, see where it's going. And
Wait, when's comics open?
comics opens in 1 minute.
What? It opens at 20 minutes past?
Yeah.
That's so weird, not halfway.
I don't know. On the 1 minute actually looks like a stairway to Valhalla. I told you. That was good, Eugene. I mean, you've already been in the chat, right, with your alt account, but what's good? Yeah, and then we've got news in 10 minutes, guys, which is going to be well exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Who hasn't liked the stream? Yeah, Eugene. Ewan, you tell them. Go beat them up if they haven't liked it. NQ's ripping up as well. All right, man. Who do you think is my ult? You've got bare ults. 60 likes? Yeah, we actually did. Holy shit. You guys actually hit 60 likes before news. Imagine somebody losing on purpose. People would think if they're able to lose such a large amount, they must be able to make an even larger amount. Full pot live to get more affiliates. Yeah, I mean, think about it, right? Chat, what you guys don't realize is if anyone's like, I mean, not affiliates, because affiliates are different, right? Like, it doesn't make a difference to me whether you make money or lose money on the prop firms. But if someone's like partnered or like has equity in a prop firm or a revenue share agreement with a broker like Hero FX or something, or whatever it may be, right? If they have a revenue share, they make more money when you lose money, right? If you deposit to a broker or buy prop firm accounts and then lose, they make more money. So what are they going to do on stream if they're live trading? They're going to take trades that lose more often, right? Or they're going to teach you stuff that's not profitable. So I'm just saying. What's good, Dale? How's it going, man? Chat, much love for the likes. You guys are killing it. Listen, I dropped a new video yesterday. Make sure you check it out after stream. Otherwise, subscribe, click the notifications. I'm going live every single day this week, chat. Every day. And the final thing, if you're not already in the free Discord, make sure you join it. That's where most people are active. Tom streams in there for London session when he wakes up. We play Wordle. Talk hella about trading. That's about it, really. It's absolutely banging community. Broken Europe and make price move, please. Yeah, hang on. Let me, yo. Is that Jerome Powell? Yeah, listen here, man. I want you to make all my chat get in a position and stop them all out so I can get the affiliate fees. So what I'm going to do is I'll say that we're going to get in buys, right? And then, right, just dump the price, yeah? And then we'll tell them to use code TRLS on Alpha Futures for 25% off. And then we'll get hella affiliate fees. Oh, let me just unmute here. Yeah, chat. Sorry, that was just on the phone. Yeah, I think that was Jerome. He said we're going to get a sick position shortly. He's going to pump it up for us. That's what I heard. Wait, was I not muted? Oh. Nah, and scene. That was just acting, chat. Imagine doing us like that, refunding everything. If I TP smashed, yeah. Exposed. Whoa. Should I full port on gold or NQ? What pushes more? NQ, I think. It depends. I think NQ's more likely to Wixor, to be truly honest. Oh my days, NQ's ripping it. Chat. £1,000. You changing your colours again? What colours? Chart colours? Nah. Chart colours are the same. He muted to talk to the Geordie. You keep spelling Geordie wrong as well. Speaking of Geordie, where is that guy? Bro's making millies. Tom Gamble and eval. Are we having another episode of Tom Gamble's and eval today?
I don't have any.
He doesn't have any.
I passed them all.
Passed them all. WTRLS one-on-one mentorship. Click the link in the pin chat. He's passed all his evals. What a problem to have, right? You don't have any more evals because you passed them all. W promo. Thinks he's the boy. Oh, Jay's onto you, mate. Jay's actually onto you.
He's on my D's though.
He actually needs to get off your wiener, mate. I'm gonna be sick. Probably don't be, Eugene. That's what I would suggest.
Rip him back down though.
Thoughts on the new top step rule? I don't think it's not that crazy. Because
It's good and bad. It depends. It's like, by the way, I've seen so many more videos saying you do have to get back to the balance. I really do think it's that.
top step support said it's not that. Chat, from what I understand, right? Me and Tom differ on this. From what I understand what the new top step rule is, let's say you get to like 52,000, right? You request a 2k payout. All right, minus 2k. And then...
So now you're back at 50k.
Oh no, 1k payout, sorry. You can only get 1k payout. You request a 1k payout, right? You're now at 51. What I think the rule is you have to now be above 51 to get the next payout. But Tom thinks you need to get back above 52.
Yeah. You have to be above the original request balance.
Which one is it, chat? Above 52 or above 51? Because I think it's above 51. And that's what top step support said as well. Says balance after payout? Exactly.
Yeah, but you just ignored the other 6 people that have all said 50.
No, but this is what it says. It does say balance. This is what I was talking about.
Maybe it's just like inferring what they're writing.
Bro, we literally went into top steps to support yesterday and looked at people saying...
I know, but I kind of got the vibe that it was still 52 after the
No.
message.
That's cap. It's definitely 51. Oh, look. Wait, what? I'm tripping. No, I'm not tripping, but I couldn't find it. Can't wait for him to fly back home? That's crazy, you know? Bro's literally preying on your downfall.
Generally, he's on my downfall.
Just don't worry about it and make an egg sandwich. Egg sandwich is the most pedophilic meal I've ever seen. Are you British by chance? Yes. How could you tell? Where's everyone from in the chat? We have a crazy mix. There's people from all over the gaff. Poland. I'm not a pedo. Brilliant. South Africa, Greece, Germany. Ah.
Is it Germans? Why is it news comes out in
We have a lot of Germans in here though.
seconds?
Chat, news comes out in a minute and a minute and 40 seconds.
Both fucking things we traded just.
Jetzt sprechen wir nur auf Deutsch, ja? Ich mache einen Stream auf Deutsch.
What do we reckon moves more, gold or
Pakistan, gyros, Romania. Someone's from gyros. What do you say? What moves? What?
What moves more, NQ or gold?
I don't know. I don't know actually. I'm officially watching this whilst on the toilet. Understandable. Missed the YouTube streams? Well, they're back for this week. Every single day. NQ's ripping it right now, chat. Squeeze it, B. Chat, what do we think news is going to do here? You got PPI in 50 seconds. Press 1 for up, 2 for down. All right, type 1 in the chat if you think news is going to push up. Type 2 in the chat if you think it's going to push down. "25 seconds there, chat." Starting to get the volume coming in here. 10 seconds. I wonder if we're going to actually make a move here. How did it come out?
Flipped about 90 times.
Forex factory.
Looks like
It came out bad for the dollar, right? Is that bad for dollar? Oh, PPI hasn't come out yet. Is that why it's waiting? What's going on here, chat?
I reckon this rips up.
It all came out bad for the dollar. NQ doing literally nothing. Gold actually ripping up here. NQ's being weird. Right, well, nothing we can really do here just yet, chat. Gold pushing up, which is understandable from the news. And NQ just sort of dawdling about. You ever been Ibiza? That's a new color, mate. Oh, the indicator, yeah, I guess. Why YouTube streams every day? I just wanted to do them for this week. Because we got the launch of the new one-on-one program. I wanted to tell you guys about it. And I just wanted to jump on stream. I have free will, chat. I can do what I want. Funny, right? Chat, I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go to the room real quick. I'll be back in a sec. What we're gonna do is wait for the next closure, right? If we can get a closure above on NQ or above on gold, we're gonna look pretty good for some buys here.
can't really tell what we're going to do here, to be honest. I thought NQ was going to rip up, but where's Sam's charts? Oh, he's got gold open. I'll watch it on my laptop instead then. Mate, I was in a trade for 2.5 hours last night. Like, it was ridiculous. The fact that I got out of that break even is genuinely like, I did not deserve break even on that shit. Like, not at all. That was just complete luck. Wait, holy shit, there's so many messages. How's life? Good, mate. Pretty good. Although I'm flying home Thursday, so today and tomorrow is the last time I'll be here this year. I'll come back in the new year, but for the foreseeable future, I'll be, you know, streaming from my house back in Newcastle. So yeah, no more duo streams.
That's gonna be whack. Loki could get on a Zoom call. The Zoom call stream matter. Alright, chat. 5-minute closing here in about 40 seconds. Zoom call is made. Yeah, crazy. How many payouts has Tom had and how much has he made? No payouts yet. Bro's been trading for 3 months. You gotta remember this, chat. Like, he's not like been trading for very long at all. 3 months is crazy. How much are you funded?
No, more than that now.
Really?
I think I might be at
half a mil funded. That's crazy. Within 3 months of trading is pretty mad. Coming up on some payouts as well, but we take those slow and steady, right?
Well, this is kind of, it's not a problem. It's actually something that I guess is my personal strat is I've got all of my accounts pretty much near the buffer now. So when I get one payout, I'll be able to, you know, request a few payouts alongside it.
Yeah.
Like you said, it's not linear. Like, I'll get a big chunk and then probably not get a payout for a while. Get another big chunk.
Yeah, exactly. After 3 months, how? He joined the one-on-one. Like, unironically, Tom joined the one-on-one. And like I told you guys, I say these words and you think I'm just saying words. My actions back up what I'm telling you, right? I told him to get funded within 90 days and he did by joining the one-on-one. Very simple. He didn't even just get funded, right? He got that half a mil funded. That's actually mad. You might have created a monster, SG. Yeah, man. All of my traders are monsters, right? I create monsters in every single student that I have. Tom is living with a very good trader, which helps too. Yes, obviously that does help.
Yeah, that does help.
Big you up, geese. I joined. Fire. How's the one-on-one launch going? We haven't dropped it yet. The waitlist is out, which is in the pinned thing. I haven't even... I've accepted like 2 people into it so far, and then I'm going to wait till the launch day to actually do the rest. Chat, if you do want to get the same results as Tom and all of the other students in there, literally ask all of the other one-on-one students. Click the link in the top pinned comment, or it's this link right here. https trls.io/waitlist, right? And you can apply to the program. I'll get you funded within 90 days. And if I don't, somehow, it hasn't happened yet, but if I don't, I'll give you $1,000 cash.
Wait, who's not trend lines?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I think it's Eugene.
Because Eugene's just DM'd me saying, who is this? And it's a screenshot of not trend line saying, Tom, check DM, bro. But I thought it actually might be someone that had a question.
When it's the launch day, I DM'd you predicament. What I would do, bro, is did you fill out the link? Fill out the wait list? If you fill that out, we can talk about the predicament in more detail, right? Wait, who's me? I'm me. Thanks, Eugene. Fill me out. That's insane. Fill me out, SG is crazy. Chat, can we push up here? Fill me in. Again, crazy. Yeah, chat. How does it feel having to get an SVR and not a G-Wagon? I'd rather have my SVR than a G-Wagon, bro. SVR dusts a G-Wagon and it sounds better. I'm in from my almost blown account. Should I just hold buys? Yeah. 1-0. Fire. W rage bait. Bro, lack of price action actually turns me to a fiend. I'd like to apologize for that. It's insane. Yeah, it's pretty whack. Alright guys, we have a 5-minute close just now. 5 closed within the range, but bullish. This is just, why is this such low volume? It's kind of mad. Bitcoin breaks above 100k. Bro, stop baiting me with these fucking Bitcoin things. Bitcoin is not going up. You keep sending these things in saying Bitcoin's up 10% or Bitcoin breaks above 100k. My position is so underwater, but you keep baiting me.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Bro, you get me again. I literally went to check TradingView as well.
1 hour on gold has no bottom way. Surely it comes back down.
Feeling SG Hopium? Yeah, actually. 93 was crazy. What do you mean 93? I'm confused. What is gold doing, man? This might be the worst PA I've seen in a while. So slow. It's not even bad PA actually, it's a lie. It's just low volume. Hopefully, I mean, look, I'll stay on past NYSE again. Hopefully, we can get some good volume coming in during that. Why did the music stop? Yo, it just went silent there for a minute. I was reading something. How long have you been trading for? 5 years. 5 years. Is it coming up on 6? I'm not sure. Could it be waiting for all the news this week? Yeah, it could be waiting for CPI. No, it's not coming out tomorrow. Fuck. Yesterday's video was top tier. Thanks, dude. Anytime, my bro. Anytime. I used to be a barber. No, you didn't. Sammy, what? Giveaway? Chat, I'll do the giveaway at the end of the stream, man. Chill out. Chill your beans. £1? He's answering his own questions. Chat, sometimes we get to watch Eugene's schizophrenia in real time. It's quite interesting. It's not me, this is identity theft. Free 25k if I win my boxing fight coming up. I'll put TRLS on the shorts. If you put TRLS on the shorts and send me a photo, I'll give you a free... billion K. Nah, 50k. Account.
Yes.
Chat. What you can do is you can put the fries in the bag right now. And that will be it. Thank you very much. How long have you been gambling gold? Couple of months. Chat, you can time it up to when I started getting some crazy prop firm payouts to when we started full porting. I'm joking. Will good luck stick behind that jab? Oh, what? Will good luck? Okay, yeah, I was gonna say what the fuck. Gay son or thought daughter? This is a generational question. It has to be gay son.
No, because actually, as a basketball player, put me onto this.
Because they don't continue the bloodline or what?
No, it's not that. It's just if you have a gay son, it's both. Because a gay son's getting his back blown out by.
Yeah, but they don't necessarily have to. They don't necessarily have to be.
I mean, if you just play the probabilities in 2025, it's
well, they're going to be a gay Jezzy as well.
Yeah, like it's more than likely it's like a full-blown warpath of like blue hair and.
Thought daughter's just nah. Because tell you what though, I think as a man it's well easier to have a son who's a disappointment, or maybe not. But I think dads love daughters a lot more.
I think.
And like having a daughter is like, oh, it's your little baby girl, you got to look after and protect her, and then she just goes and gets smashed down like daily by.
Yeah, but what if you're just, going to the toilet upstairs and you just hear your son getting his booty hole blown out?
Nah, it's got. Oh, I don't know, man. Whore daughter, free beat. That's insane. That's insane from Eugene. Yeah, that's a mad question, chat, but I've got a better one. Would you rather have nipple-sized fingers or finger-sized nipples? Alright? Now that one's going to really get you thinking. This one's really put... The stakes are on the line here. Chat, answers in chat. And I want a reason as well. Finger-sized nipples? Better question if you had to sleep with... Yeah! Oh! Clen, bro. Let's actually bring this one up, because what I'm going to do here, chat, is I'm going to bring a live action replay to this one, right? So Clen on YT asks, better question, if you had to sleep with 2 girls with a combined ages of 30, which one are you picking? Okay, that's fine. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to replay a video of me and Tom talking about this the other day.
Yeah, stand by this answer. I'll talk about it openly.
In which he goes with the most ridiculous answer I've ever heard in my life. Which was... Wait, let me find it.
Wait, what was my answer? Was it the pregnant lady one or the other one?
23 and 7.
Yeah, but
that was his answer. 23 and...
15 and 15. No, 16, 14.
He said 23 and 7, bro.
Bro, Right.
That's ridiculous.
Okay, so
You didn't even go 18-12, which would be the logical one for your reasoning, right?
yeah, that would be better. There is no answer where you don't catch a charge, right?
Bro said 7.
There's no answer where you wouldn't catch a charge. So I choose to catch 1 charge. Sam wants 2.
No. I'm gonna go 16-14. 16's legal, 14's
Oh, right.
closer, right? So that's what I would go with, and I'd only catch.
You said 15-15.
No, 16-14 is what I said, and that way you only get 1 charge, but you're taking like the mega charge.
No, but
Because you know it's done on like age, so like the closer they are to you, the better.
The baby can just hold the camera.
The baby. Now you're saying baby. You've changed your answer now.
Well, how old's a 3-year-old?
You said 7. Now he said 3. He said 7 before.
You said 27.
You said 23 and 7.
Oh.
Now he's changed it to 27 and 3. That's
They can just hold the camera. They don't have to get involved.
noncy, Tom. Yeah, I think that might be right. You both cooked? You don't want this clip to resurface later? No. Nah, because... Oh, mate, that's ridiculous. Who's the kid behind you? You don't even want to know, really. 6'7"? Oh, actually, as a punishment for that, can you please... There's no volume? There is volume. Can you please show chat your fastest 6'7"?
I don't think I can, mate.
Thoughts on 29 and 1? What do you mean by thoughts on that?
What about 13-0? Because 0 is like, they're not there.
SG, mine's 20 and I'm overprotective. She's still a virgin and she's very respectful and responsible.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say this.
How do we tell them?
No, I'm joking, actually. Realistically, it's possible. Fucking help, chat. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Does a Preggers 30-year-old count? No. Right, chat. This topic is now over. The chat just went small hat real fast. Yeah. This stream is a level above the Discord. We literally open up the Discord streams to be more locked in. So we come back to YouTube and it's just diabolical. Weather's nice today, isn't it? Yeah, Ewan, it is, actually. It is. I had some serious thunderstorms yesterday. Chat, we have 8 minutes here to the hourly close. I'm literally fighting for my life here. 8 minutes to the hourly close. You got 38 minutes till Comex. Yeah, a lot of potential here, chat. If we can close above 4152, we can get some buys here and take the position upwards. Yeah, it should be good. Check what I sent you on Discord, by the way. Goodbye, Harvard. Chat, that's the thing, right? You guys may need to get a job at some point. I'm jobless, so I can pretty much say whatever I want and not have to worry about the repercussions. I mean, that's not true, but... All right, serious question. Why not 41-48? Because that's not the level. 41-48 is like, I mean, yeah. But if you look to the left, then you have rejection area here, here, and here, right? I got lectures now. God bless, chat. Best of luck. All right, in a bit, man. Would you rather every day you wake up, you can't leave your room till you kill this squirrel that attacks you every morning, or fight a panda you got to kill that comes out on at a random every month?
I don't know what I'm looking at here.
£1,000. Any update on your guy at Apex? What for? Was it a giveaway or what? Bro, these Apex guys are pretty slow to reply. Do I owe you a giveaway account? Like the panda could come out right now, or at a gym, or at a pub. I'd rather just kill the panda once a month. I think, rather than a squirrel every day. For the giveaway account? Yeah. I'll get back to him, bro. Because like, if the squirrel was attacking you every day, it's going to get quite annoying. Although maybe it's a good way to start your morning. Maybe you wake up nice and like energized. You got to go fight this squirrel and then get on with your day. What do we think, chat? Squirrel every day is much easier. Imagine the pile of them though. Well, I probably wouldn't keep them in my room. I'd just throw them out my window off the balcony and they'd just fall. I'm not a rapper, I'm a drug dealer that raps bars. Pandas are bears and they're not that small. They're not bears. The panda bear thing is not a real thing. I think, aren't they marsupials? Is a panda a bear? I'm gonna say it's not. I think it's a marsupial. Ah, fuck. Oh, no, wait, a panda? I was thinking of a red panda like Mr. Mochi. Alright, nah, yeah, if it's a big panda like this, then yeah, fair. That's a giant panda though, that doesn't count. You said, no, it's not a panda bear. You said, I think we're going red panda. No, it's not that one. That's a giant panda. I'm thinking one of these, a Mr. Mochi. Basically, I'm just going to beat up Mr. Mochi every day, or every month. I'm talking about a big panda, but you didn't say that. That's the problem. You didn't specify. TRLS planet? Yeah, trust me. Who the flip thinks of a red panda when you say panda in general? Me. Alright, chat. Hourly close in 4 minutes here. Let's see what happens. Where the hell is the volume? Hang on. Let me open my crystal ball. I can't be asked to do that joke. Even the red panda is a bit of a long scrap. A squirrel will get dealt with quick time. Yeah, you could get the squirrel and just spin it around like this and then just fling it out the window or something. You are right. You gotta catch it first though. I hope my neighbors don't listen to these streams. Yeah, to be honest, I think the FBI might be listening in. Just burn a tree. Nah, because the squirrel spawns in your room apparently. Alright chat though, enough of this. 3 minutes here. By the way, like I said, if you guys aren't already in the free Discord, make sure you are. It's very important. As well as that, chat, Alpha Futures, like I said, their sale is running for the next, I think it's only for the next day or two. They have 25% off all accounts right now, which is the biggest discount you're going to get on Alpha Futures. Like, they don't really run bigger discounts. So yeah, very, very important that you go ahead and actually grab an account if you need one during this promo. Using code TRLS, it's going to save you 25% on your accounts. Can a human be called Bertie, or is it a dog's name? I think Bertie is shortened for Robert. Are you not with Apex anymore? I am, but Apex just don't have the big sale at the minute. I mean, they do, but no, it ended yesterday. I trade with both of them. No. Thoughts on FTMO? It's a Forex prop. I mean, I've heard that the conditions aren't the best. This is what I've heard, though. I heard that they're expensive and the conditions aren't the best. Why have you put a question mark message to me in Discord as if we're not right next to each other? Bro's literally messaging me on Discord from there. What happened to the camera? That monthly value area high is holding super strong right now. What is a value area high? Is it? I don't know about these.
Who's the bloody bomber class saying that to you?
Mr. Omar.
Yeah.
Chat, we've done it again now. 72 viewers, 74 likes. What platform do you use? For Top Step and Alpha, I use Project X. For Apex and Traderify, I use Traderbait. Both good platforms, in my opinion. Can we get... We're not going to get a closure above. By the look of things on gold, what's NQ doing? Yeah. Do you use the DOM? No. My trading is extremely simple, chat. It's candles on a chart and a few lines. That's the most you're going to see. Maybe an Asia high being marked out here and there. That's really about it. The hourly's closing, no bottom wick. NYSE is last hope for today. Yeah, we'll stay until NYSE, chat, which is in 30 minutes. I do think there's potential here. Give me a second. I need to change. This hoodie's way too hot. One t-shirt, please. Oh. Do you want to take over the stream for a second? Oh.
Gentlemen. Mate, there is so much shit on this desk. There's just a whole lot of nothing going on right now. Yeah. Boring. Boring.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course, mate. Of course. I'm gonna joke. I'm not looking to get into anything. I'm good, Josh. I'm very good. Also, that's a good description of me.
What?
Monster Tom. Because I have monster wood.
Did you do GCSE PE?
No, I didn't actually.
No.
It's a bit of a random question.
I got an A star in GCSE PE.
You didn't get any A stars. You got only one. You got only U's.
I peaked in GCSE.
Unmarkables.
And then didn't revise for any of my A levels. So I'm a bad man.
I revised more for trading. I was deep in this the other day. I revised more for this shit than I have for any education in my life ever.
Yeah, I did law school without a single day of revision.
Like, it's because this isn't really that, like, it's not boring to learn.
No, it's not, you're right.
I mean, it can be sometimes, to be fair. Like, sometimes it is just like, oh my days, this is ridiculous.
Well, I don't know.
Well,
Sam tried to laugh like what the fuck? Alright, so NQ closed bearish here. Top wick first and flipped. Sales don't look terrible. Gold bottom wick first and flipped. Unfortunately, didn't close above the level for me. So realistically, you could do absolutely anything here. We need to wait for NYSE. Honestly, NQ NYSE might be the meta. Might be the meta.
It's a ridiculous matter recently.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Oh.
How does Tom sound so Tory?
Let me get this shit.
Wait, no. How does Tom sound so Tory yet he's from Tyneside?
Yeah, it's a fucking criminal. I don't sound Tory at all.
You're...
Anyway, guys. On one micro yesterday, I made not more, but I made the same amount as I did on my normal position. I've been testing out this new strategy where I just closed like 95% of the position and I just let one micro run until end of day liquidates me. Or BE. But you know, on the yesterday, I literally rode NQ. What is this? Oh, the hour there. Let me look at it on the 1 minute, because that's what I was watching it all day. Like, I had an entry like here or some shit, and I just rode it up all day until end of day liquidated me around here. Pauser. It's the new meta. I think I've developed a new trading strategy. The end of day liquidation.
I feel like this guy knows you. The way he's talking to you, it sounds like he knows you.
Yeah. Me to liquidate on your face.
That's ridiculous. Chat, did you hear that? I really hope the mic picked that up. Because he's just offered to liquidate on my face. Which is actually ridiculous if you think about it. And I think that might actually be a bannable offense.
Oh, good.
What?
You made me miss my position.
Take the offer? It is a tempting one. There you are. Oh my god, this volume's too exciting, chat. It's getting to the point where I can't even see the candles move because they're moving so quickly. It's like a speed mirage. I've been sent to the Shadow Realm for less. This is true. Nah, hang on, slow down here. To be fair, NQ is moving. Chat, if we get like a 30-minute close on NQ below these lows here, top wick, I'll take sales to fill this all the way back down because NQ likes to do that. Oh. Do you ever play Chart Champs? Oh, isn't that trading game?
TV boys shit. Or like somebody nicked the UI off them. I don't know. No idea apparently. Wait, is it not just a full? It's basically just a full ball competition.
Yeah, I think it might be. Good time waster for the weekend. There's a leaderboard currently sat at top 20. That's crazy. How much X you have? What does that mean? Like how many X's? What?
How much bread you got?
F lifts, what's good? Don't trade commodities? Yeah, I do, of course. I'm trading gold right now. One year anniversary with my girlfriend today. Let's go. It's now a bad time to tell him I blew his girl's back out.
Probably not the best time.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to know.
All right. Yeah, congrats, Will. Gold pushing down here, making a bottom wick. I couldn't resist, man. You tried to rage bait me earlier as well. Yeah, chat, this is kind of crazy right now. Need to see a closure above on gold. Can I give you my bottom wick? I don't like the direction this chat is going in, to be honest. I actually think it might be your fault. I don't know, I think you've given them like some... Nah, actually, I think it might be Jay's fault. Bottom wick joke was top tier. Yeah, because that's the first time that joke's ever been used, actually.
Yeah.
I don't remember anyone else ever saying that. I think that might be a new joke. I make a cheeky joke. Yeah. Chat, wait, is the 4 hour close shortly? Oh my god, 4 hour close in 51 minutes could be well nice on gold here. Like really, really nice. Chat, what about $1 million? What are you doing then? How many inches? You don't want to know. Six foot, 3 inches, 2 different measurements. Double it? Double what? Mate, this chat's gone seriously downhill. Are you the top or bottom? Wick, I mean. Crazy. 1 mil. 2 mil. My bottom wick is 200 pips. That's a bit too big, to be honest. You don't want it to be too big, right? The big ones hurt. Someone commented on my page, right? Can you trade Forex on Alpha Futures? So I said, depends what you want to trade. And they said, NAS. The NASDAQ. NQ. Famously Forex. Remember when this was a trading channel? Chat, literally anything but trading right now. It's the market's fault. It's not my fault. You can't even blame me, chat. Unironically, you can't blame me. Damn, BTC 93k right now. It's not going to work. Can I have one weed? What fine shit in here going to let me put my wick in their bottom? Like, what is going on?
Yeah.
Guys, you lot all need jobs. Every single one of you needs jobs. You guys gotta actually just type in McDonald's job application online and fill it out. Because at this point, it's getting ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm gonna start. Mods, ban everyone now. Generational clip. So they don't accept traders anymore? Yeah, fair. It's about to be me.
Crimea River, get fucking banned permanently, you piece of fucking shit. Fuck you. Mods, ban everyone! Ban everyone now! I want all my viewers perma'd! Go!
He's so ethnic.
Honestly, that is going to be me very shortly. Wait. One more. This one. This one's the best Delo clip ever.
My God! Ban Marshall now! Ban him! Ban him! My fucking God! You trash can! You're so
Mate, it's so
fucking
bad.
bad!
Bro, like 40 people just left the stream off that. Bro, I find that guy hilarious. If anyone knows the Delor law, then I think it's quite funny. I miss old Fortnite. Yeah, honestly. Chat, 15-minute close here on NQ in like 2 minutes time. Can we get a position? Sit on a cock and eat a pie, or sit on a pie and eat a cock? Good. Yeah, we're back to that, are we? What do I do at this point?
Oh.
Fries bag this instant. It's actually ridiculous. Gold flipping. 5 top wick first. Knew it. Bing Bing song. It is the Bing Bing song. Oh my god. I'm not even going to read that out, Jay. You might want to check chat.
Oh, brilliant.
Are you gay? Who says I am gay?
Ripping up on NQ here.
NQ's ripping up? What's going on?
Weirdly.
Big rejection. Chat, we might just be stuck in the rod here. Unironically, we might be stuck in the range.
I just thought the 4 hour looked really nice.
Nah, to be fair, Triz is spitting here. Donald Duck doesn't wear pants, so why does he put on a towel when he gets out of the shower? What's good, Tyler? Coming into the chat. On smoke. I'll rod you in a minute. I'm just fed up of it. I'm just seriously fed up of all this chat. I figured out why I dropped the streams down to once a week now. Chat, 15 closing here. 15 minutes till NYSE. You've created monsters? Yeah, it's ridiculous, man. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
Yeah, it's like impossible to trade.
Can I buy one NASDAQ? Yeah, this is very difficult to trade here. Hopefully NYSE gives us the volume though.
No, I don't need the price action, just give me the brain roll.
Oh, the brain roll. I mean, yeah, it's ridiculous.
Trying to concentrate.
One NASDAQ, please. Yeah, I would like a NASDAQ. Unironically though, if you have a share in, like one NASDAQ share, it's actually quite a lot. It's like, what, 25k? That's a lot. Chat, would you rather own... chat, would you rather own a Hellcat or a Bitcoin? Right, Kenzie's getting a timeout. Sit on the naughty step for a minute and think about what you said. Hellcat or Trackhawk? Nah. Renegade Raider? Can someone write my CV? I specialize in high frequency decision making metrics reflecting clear net negative return profiles across evaluated periods. What, so you're an unprofitable prop firm trader, right? Fire. Can you meow? Ask Tom. He's good at it. He actually just did it as well. This is a question to know everyone's race. Bro's figured it out. Give me Bitcoin. You 9,300 buy. 93,000. I think 93,000. No, my average now is like 90k. That's not bad. I think very good. Chat, I've literally top and bottom ticked the crypto market 3 times in a row for the past cycle. 90k GBP? No, dollars, obviously. Who the fuck measures Bitcoin price in GBP? Oh, actually, hang on. No, I bought Bitcoin at 400,000 yen. It's like, what?
Oh, Christ.
Ah, Stefan, I beat you to it, mate.
Just put them all in. Like every single one of them.
Would you lips Tom, but if you didn't, one of his legs would fall off?
Who's asking that?
Eugene.
Oh my gosh. This guy's gonna become a problem when he's
Unemployed.
yeah.
Yeah, Eugene's already seems unemployed, and he's actually going to become unemployed in the next 2 weeks. But I swear he's been saying 2 weeks for about a month now. Do you take short longs? No, I always long short. What's your all-time dream car? I've already had 2 of my dream cars. The like, I guess the unrealistic one, or like the S tier one, would be like a Porsche 918 Spider. Corsa 1 litre 2003. I had a Corsa 1 litre 2007 when that was my first car. Absolute rapid mobile. 0 to 60 in about 16 seconds. Naught to 60 sometime in the future is what they put on the thing. I'll take a Ford Ka over any Lambo. Yeah. What's good, mate? Your videos are really spot on for traders who are struggling to be profitable. Appreciate you. Caspirio, man, I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate it a lot. I think I've seen you in my comments before. And I'm glad they help you out. 0 to 62 business days. Yeah. Tom seems like a Fiat 500 kind of guy.
How does he know?
Tom was famous at uni, right? When we were like 19, 20. He's got a Corsa, right? He'd just go to every single McDonald's car park in Leicester and just pick up the most mid 14-year-olds you've ever seen. You hit 11K? Did I? I don't think so, right? Pretty close. Ah, 9 subs off. Chat, with 9 subscribers off 11,000 subs. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button so we can hit 11K. Are you taking this position? Short for position, by the way. Bro's using slang. No, I mean, I will take a position if gold closes above, but not this one here. Are you only trading futures now, or you still trade FX as well? Now I trade a bit of FX here and there. I've been focused on futures though, because like I had to lock in to get the payouts this month. Looks like it's making a higher low to me. It does look that way, but again, it's tapped into some rejection areas. Chat, I think we're coming up on 20K this month in terms of payouts. I think it's achievable. How long do we have left for the rest of the month? Oh, no, maybe not, actually. Maybe not. Maybe I can do it in the last 30 days. That might be better. And then I'm best believe I'm making a fat video. How I turned $1,000 into X amount of dollars. Because my total spend on Top Step is $1,000. Which futures prop firms are you with? I'm with Alpha Futures, which has 25% off right now using code TRLS. Apex, which I think has 80% off code TRLS. I trade with Top Step and Tradeify as well, but I'm not sponsored. When should we stop trading before Christmas? I don't really ever stop. I think Christmas is some of the best trading days there is. So I'm going to trade all the way through. I mean, I'm going to trade. I don't think the markets are open Christmas Day, Boxing Day. I think they shut early Christmas Eve. Real talk though, how many pound coins have you lost since you started? Actual pound coins? Or are you actually asking a serious? Bro, down the cushions of my sofa, there's probably a couple pound coins. You ever tried Top 1 Futures? Nah, never. I honestly think Alpha Futures is the best deal in the prop space right now, and I'm not just saying that because I'm sponsored. 9 trading? Nah, I think I lost like 10, 20K before I actually recuperated it, and since then I've obviously made like 10x that. More than that, actually. Everyone loses money before they make money. Do you gamble at NFP? No. I mean, maybe on a few evals for a bit of fun, but I want to make money. Can you please explain step by step the process to getting an Apex payout? You pay $36 for a 50K account using code TRLS. Then you pass the account by getting to 53,000. Then you pay the activation fee, which is like $100 and something when they don't have a sale on. Or you wait till a sale and it's $40. And then you trade the account up to 2,600. Then you request a $500 payout. Repeat that 3 times, and then you can request the entire balance. Simple. Do you know why some of the traders are getting asked for a video with how they enter in positions on Apex? It's a pretty standard thing, right? A lot of prop firms do it. Before I got my first Alpha Capital Group payout, they made me do a... It's just a strategy check. Oh my god. Oh my god, Apex just dropped the mega sale.
What, just before Black Friday?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, just don't say.
That's insane. I literally just got the email. They're doing a special sale for 100k accounts on Apex, right? $50 for an evaluation, and then $10 PA fees.
So it's cheaper than their 50Ks.
That's the cheapest account Apex has ever been.
I would say that's the cheapest that 100k has ever been, regardless of the firm. I mean, like, I think Alpha do the cheapest 50k, and that's $74.
No, but Apex are also doing 80% off evaluation, and then on all sizes, and $40 lifetime PAs again.
So what we had.
Yeah, what we had a week before.
The 100k one sounds better though. You know, obviously it's just twice the amount of cards. You just trade with hella size though.
That sale's live now, chat. So if you want to make the most of that, code TRLS at Apex. Holy shit. Why is my... I just got logged out of... What? I got logged out of WhatsApp. That's never a good sign, is it?
I don't use WhatsApp.
I'm pretty sure that's a... The only Alpha standard... Alpha Zero plan with Alpha Futures. But holy shit, that Apex sale is ridiculous. That's actually the craziest sale I've ever seen. How tall are you? 6'3". I'm tall, man. Chat, what is the reason why I could get logged out of my WhatsApp? Do they just do that randomly, or is that's kind of scary? Is Alpha Capital a good firm to use? Yeah, but you're better off trading futures right now. Would you... I'm not even reading them. Oh my days, I'm just getting 10 billion calls right now. Wait, one sec. Anyway, chat. Oh my days. Right, yeah. Anyway, chat, we have NYSE in 2 minutes here. If this closes below on NQ, yeah, sales look quite good. All right, cool. What platform do you use to copy trade? I use the Apex ones. There's an Apex copy trader. It's quite good. It's actually really good. All right, cool. Been in gold sales from 41.46. Struggling volume to push price higher to take Asia highs. Maybe side with bears more. All right, man. We'll get out your... Oh, you're in sales. Well, that's fine then. If that's your thesis, then let it run. Watch NQ just like rocket in one direction or the other. It's going to close respecting though. Can you trade Apex from your phone? Yeah, you can connect it to TradingView and then trade it through your phone, yeah. Gold 5 liquidity grab. I don't know, man. 30-minute opening up here. Oh, and there's the volume. There's the volume. Hourly wanting to flip here on NQ. 30-minute reflipping downwards. Okay, chat. What we could do here is we could look for like a 5-minute closure below these lows. Problem is, like, everything else closed respecting. No. Yeah, this is interesting, chat. I'm gonna wait for this next 5. If it does nothing, then I'll probably call it. To be truly honest. I'll be back in 2 minutes though. What?
It like broke all the lows and it came all the way back up.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
This could genuinely go anywhere.
Yeah, this is mad. I don't know how tradable this is.
Like, bro, I was in that. It broke. I mean, you can see it. It broke London lows and it came all the way back up.
What were you in?
Sales.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. I mean, if it closes below, it'll probably run down. Is this London lows? Yeah, it's just swept London lows.
And then I was like, holy shit, we're green here, but it just came it's like reverse. No, I'm not sure. I got slipped though, $40 from 4 micros is crazy. That's a lot.
Yeah, that is crazy actually.
It just, I genuinely teleported.
Have to head out. We'll wait if we're playing Geo. I want to watch his 5-minute close first, and then we'll see. Gold's rejecting as well. Holy shit, this is...
Yeah, just trying to flip by the looks of things.
It's kind of crazy, bro. Are we going to close below, chat? Alright, cool. I had to send that out. Yeah, that's actually the most ridiculous Apex sale I think I've ever seen. Like, genuinely, that's fucking insane. I'm probably going to stack, like... Bro, imagine 20 100k accounts. For 1.4k is 2 mil funding. 2 mil funding for one... Oh my god, it flipped. Yeah. Hourly trying to flip as well. Yeah, this is actually kind of chopped here, chat.
Yeah, I don't like that. I mean, this is one of them ones where it's like, if you hit TPs, you just got lucky.
Yeah. Did we hit 11k subs, chat? Is there a limit to how many accounts you can have? Yeah, 20. 20 Apex accounts, which is fucking mental. ES pumping like crazy. What the fuck? Why is ES pumping, but NQ's not? Well, that is so weird. It's got to be something to do with the company that's inside ES, but not inside NQ. Is there one? Yeah, chat. All right, look, I'm going to call it here. I don't think this is very, very good, to be honest. I think it's very difficult to trade this. What we'll do is play the GeoGuessr. Guys, that Apex sale that just came out is fucking ridiculous. Take advantage of that if you need some accounts, right? Code TRLS at checkout. You can get a 100k account for $59 and then $10 activation fees. What the fuck? But yeah, I can't lie today. Just charge it to the game if you're in a position already. Charge it to the game, you know. Yeah, man. Other than that, chat, listen, join the free Discord. It's very important. That's the community where everyone from streams jumps in, makes some bread together, has a bit of fun, does the hokey pokey, whichever one it is. I don't know, man. But yeah. Otherwise, play the GeoGuessr, chat. Yeah, man. It's ripping. I'm gonna sell, so no Geo for me. All right, man. You lock in. I'm gonna be looking at this 4-hour close, to be honest, inside the TRLS Academy.
Yeah, it's kind of what my sales were based on.
Oh my days.
I just had like a nice entry. That's a shame, man. I'm super confident in that.
Tom, I'm new to this. Take it easy. 27 and 3. These names. All right, chat. I'm starting the GeoGuessr.
27 and 3 is fucking funny. That's from earlier.
Yeah, no, that's your fucking. Okay, chat. Oh, come on, son. Come on, Sean. I feel like this is like. I would have said the UK, but we don't drive on the right. I feel like it might be here. Or it could be like Jersey, but I think I'm going to go here. Yeah, not right. Hungary. Should probably get something to eat then, mate. Not good. Come on. Brilliant. It's just trees. How am I meant to guess? Some like absolute geek would be like, well, these are actually the Denmark acacia trees famously found just south of Aalborg. That's you, Malenko, because you got that one. So you're the geek in this equation. Oh, I know this. I've seen this on top of Whitechapel train station. feel like that's like, yeah, close enough. Oh my god. I'm actually not even top 5. What a go on. Oh my god, this is well nice. Where is this? I'd like to go here. I feel like this has got to be like somewhere like this. Yeah, pretty close actually. Was that Bhutan? Yeah, just 0 points. Skill issue? Yeah, Loki. I actually. Yeah. Chat, that's actually one of my worst GeoGuessr performances ever. But Johanna's first, Malenko second. Hate the... Oh, giveaway. Chat. I forgot to do the giveaway account. If you're still here, W. Let's do it right now. Oh my god, we're ripping down on Enki here. Ah, Mr. Darius. Congrats. Are you still in here? Yeah, W Darius. Good shit, man. Hit me with a DM on IG or Discord, you pick. Yeah, chat, look, that's been it from me, man. What a stream. That was an absolute banger stream. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. If you haven't already, make sure you go and check out the most recent video. Click the link in the pinned comment, right? Go to trls.io/waitlist if you do want to join or apply for the one-on-one program to become profitable in 90 days, or I'll give you $1,000 for free. And yeah, other than that, chat, that's been it from me. Much love. Peace out. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.